Let's make some tea in this beautiful teapot. It has a strainer inside of it, so you can put tea leaves or tea bags, or we're gonna make some chai tea, and you put that inside the strainer and then put hot water on it, and it'll be ready in 3 to 5 minutes. First, let's look and see how this is packaged. Now, this is very nicely boxed, perfect for giving as a gift. It was very nicely packaged inside of a cardboard box from Amazon. Then we have another cardboard box. It is solid black. It is bubble wrapped. Okay. This is a sponge cleaner, so it comes with a cleaner so that you can clean it. That's very nice. We have instructions. And we have a hot mat or a trivet. Let's open that up because we're definitely going to need that. And it has a really pretty bamboo cutout on it. It's like very, very thick felt. So let's set all that aside. This is gonna be the easiest way to get into this. And then it is taped up and shrink wrapped. Now it has a walnut lid and it's stainless steel on the inside. There is no plastic in this at all. It's all glass, stainless, and then a wooden lid. Here is the stainless steel strainer. It's probably really difficult to see the holes, but there are holes in there. This will hold 40 ounces, which is a fair amount. Now you, of course, don't have to fill it all the way to the top. But that is a really good size if you were entertaining, if you were having a friend over for tea. So that came very nicely packaged. This has a metal coil inside there. It's probably really difficult to see, but that will keep anything in there, like if you accidentally spilled some tea in there, that way when you get ready to pour, it will help to strain that extra tea. Here are the measurements on the side. This is very classy looking. I mean, this looks like it was kind of not really blown glass, but this is very nice. It is dishwasher safe, microwave safe. You could also put it on top of the stove. I'm actually gonna boil my water in a pan and then pour it into here. But it said that it was safe to put on top of the stove. Okay, so I have my water boiling over there. While we're waiting for that, I have some chai tea mix. Look at this. My gosh, it smells like heaven. So good. Ooh. So you can see there's the chai tea mix. There are some smaller particles in there, some smaller tea, and then there are some larger leaves in there. And we're gonna put it into the strainer. Oh, that smells so good. So I'm gonna use this spoon because that was kind of a mess. I'm not sure how much to put. Okay. We have some specialty tea shops in our area. So this would be wonderful if you like specialty teas, or maybe you like chamomile tea, or I use peppermint tea once in a while if my stomach is a little bit upset. You could use the loose tea and the tea bags, or loose tea bags, or if you have loose leaves, either one. You could see how small some of the particles were in that chai tea mix, but this strainer is so fine that those particles will not go through there. My water is done boiling. I'm gonna fill it about halfway. Now I'm going to add my strainer. And it fits in there very nicely. Then we're gonna put the lid on as well, and we're gonna let that steep for 3 to 5 minutes. And while we're waiting for it, we're gonna put it on the trivet that came with it. It's been a little over 5 minutes, so I'm gonna put ice in my chai tea because it's 95 degrees outside. But you can see after 5 minutes the beautiful color that this tea has turned. Let's give it a try. It smells so good. Look how classy that looks. I mean, that would be beautiful if you had a friend over for tea, or a couple friends, or if you were having a baby shower. Let's try this. Very nice. This would make a wonderful gift.